I'm still bullish on Oracle, and it's definitely been punished because of this AI narrative of repeat capital and the leverage that's going into the AI trade. And if we looked purely from a number basis and the mega cap securities who is the most leveraged, Oracle will absolutely pop up. However, it's the structure that I argue is really important. If we think about the first debt securities that they issued back in September of about 18 billion, that was very oversubscribed, which tells me that there was a lot of consumer confidence or investor confidence at that time frame. So when we got into that second round where we saw these sell off within the credit market, and there was less confidence, but that also coincides with some of the Michael Burry statements of what's happening with depreciating assets. So then that makes me want to go into the actual structure of what's happening. Now, I like the way that Oracle has structured this. When they are financing, it's based off of yes, a high upfront investment, but it's also contracts that they already have in place. So they're not financing waiting or hoping for revenue. It's for contracts that are basically giving them revenue. So they're 5-year contracts, they're non-cancel, you cannot cancel them, which gives them pricing power, but gives them more predictable revenue streams. And it also removes this GPU refresh and the depreciation, and alleviates that concern that's really going around the market and that narrative. So because it's punished so much, yes, it is a high upfront investment. And because there is high debt associated with this, I absolutely agree that is a risk, but higher risk comes higher reward. If it does pan out and this investment does lead over to revenue and we start increasing positive free cash flow again, then that's going to be really, really good for Oracle. And it seems like management has a clear path to profitability. And that is extremely important, especially as we have these comparisons to circular capital, what happened in the dot-com bubble. The one thing that was lacking was clear path of profitability. So I want to make sure that we see clear path of profitability. And I do see that with Oracle.